What are we making?
Cinnamon bun.
We've got up late, we can get up till 7. So we've got our dough out. And we're now making cinnamon buns. I haven't even had a coffee yet. But this looks good. Ari's already chosen her one. This one's fell apart a little bit, but that's the one she wants. So we're gonna cover them with a towel, let them sit for 20 minutes, and then we're gonna bake them. So they'll be ready about 8 o'clock. Yay. Can I have coffee now?
Yeah.
Can I help you, sir? What are you doing, Rocky? What are you doing? He keeps licking the window.
There's a cat.
There's a cat here. Ari, can you show me what you made?
Yes.
Dun, dun, dun. Look at these.
He's looking the window.
They look so good.
He's looking it.
I said, we saw you do that. Nope. We saw you. Oh, Rocky.
More.
What are you making, sausage boy?
Orange juice.
Orange juice. This was Granny Nana's orange juice making machine from when Mummy was little.
Yeah.
Very old.
It's very old.
Yeah. Who's the oldest person you know?
Mummy.
Mummy? What about Nana? What about Grandad?
I don't need help.
We went at the wrong time to the car boot sale. Doesn't open until 1. We thought it was an early one, but it's 1 till 4, not 7 till 1. So we're back home. I'm going to do some editing. Just assembled the lasagna. Yeah, we'll take you to the car boot sale later.
Rocky dog.
Ari,
Yeah.
pick one of these and you've got to drink it.
What's
Look
this?
at Sylvanian stuff.
What's this?
That Burger Man. Hello. Say hi, Burger Man.
Hi. I've got the trailer
Yeah.
on the back.
Yeah.
Brum, brum.
Right.
To brum, brum.
Yeah.
You don't do that. You are. Because you were looking at me. Oh.
You told you like look on Foxy? Old fashioned drill there, Ari.
Airplane. Bye, airplane.
Games, look.
Angry frogs you've got. You got frustration or
Yeah,
equivalent.
a similar one. Condiment gun.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Why it's so gay?
Because the grass is wet.
Why? The big truck.
There's a big truck over there, isn't it?
Where it going?
There's a big field, isn't it, Foxy? Look.
Where it going?
Look how big the field is.
Oh.
It's ginormous.
Mohole.
Mole. Don't fall in it. Oh. Fossy.
Where Mom?
He's underground. Look, Foxy, airplane.
Bye, airplane.
Good boy.
Airplane.
Foxy. Look at your boots. Good Lord. Fox. Look at Mummy. You're a monster. Is he naughty?
Yeah.
It's getting dark. I've been editing and painting. Making a mess. More painting. and more painting, and then there's more in the bathroom as well that isn't dry yet. More painting. We are not in focus. There we go. I'm gonna dye my hair tonight, and we're having lasagna, and I'm so excited. I'm super hungry. So yeah, I might show you what I'm doing my hair.
a smiley face on the toilet.
Mika, what's your sister done? Toilet monster.
Yeah.
You got a lot of chocolate on your face. Look, take that.
Really wash it off.
You can have a bath, but take that plug out and eat your dinner. Good lord. I had a shower. I feel like shit. I'm going to bed. I'll see you tomorrow.